Greetings! PowerPoint presentations can be made incredibly attractive with intricate pattern fills for your slide backgrounds.
Right-click on your desired slide and choose Format Background. Alternatively, go to the Design tab and click Format Background.
Under Fill, select Pattern Fill. Choose the pattern style. Adjust the foreground and background colors to create a unique visual style.
To revert your changes, click the Reset Background button. Click Apply to All to apply your new background to every slide in the presentation.